How to watch NFL Sunday Ticket recordings on PC. In today's video, we are going to guide you all the details. So first you need to know that with NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube, you can record games, download recordings and find replays of NFL games available through your subscription. So, unlimited DVR is available for NFL Sunday Ticket Primetime channel subscription through the YouTube TV application or website, even if you do not have a YouTube TV subscription. That's a plus point. To record or watch recordings on the YouTube TV application on your TV, you must follow the next steps. So, the steps are: go to youtubetv.com and here select sign in. Keep in mind the sign in with the same Google account you used to buy NFL Sunday Ticket. Once you are signed in, select Not Now on the Welcome to YouTube TV page. Here, enter your zip code if prompted. You can add specific teams or the NFL to your YouTube TV library. Adding the NFL to your library will record current and future airings of NFL games available to you through the NFL Sunday Ticket Primetime channel. Your recordings are stored on your account so you can watch them from any supported device on the YouTube TV or website. So, if you want to watch them offline, what you have to do is open the YouTube TV application and sign in with the same account. Then go to your library. In the library, find the game that you want to download and tap download. After the complete download, all the downloads will show up in your library under the Downloads tab and you can watch them offline. So that's all. That's how you can watch NFL Sunday Ticket recordings on your personal computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.